Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger and click on three bars on the top left. Once you are here, click on this gear icon and then you simply need to scroll down and click on privacy and safety. So once you are here, you simply need to click on end-to-end encrypted chats, and here you can see the option of security alerts. Click on manage security alerts and you simply need to turn this on, and then you need to go back and then you need to click on save website browsing and you need to turn that on as well. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that and you need to update your Messenger application. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.